Welcome to Money Hacks 2025, your ultimate guide to making money online, building passive income, and achieving financial freedom. We'll show you practical and easy to follow strategies for boosting your income. Even if you're just getting started, hit that subscribe button and join us as we uncover the best money hacks to help you thrive. Want to save $10,000 this year without giving up everything you love? These simple but powerful budget hacks will help you stack cash fast without feeling broke. Let's dive in. Most people don't realize they're overspending on things they don't even need. Ever wonder why, at the end of the month, you're left wondering where your money went? The problem isn't how much you earn, it's how you manage it. And that's where the 50-30-20 rule comes in. It's a simple yet powerful system that ensures you're covering your essentials, enjoying life, and still saving for the future. Here's how it works. Imagine your income as a pie, and we divide it into 3 clear sections. Half of your income should go to absolute essentials. These are the things you have to pay for: housing, electricity, groceries, transportation. If this category is eating up more than 50% of your income, it might be time to downsize or cut unnecessary bills. Now, this is where most people mess up. 30% is for fun, going out, streaming services, that new gadget you've been eyeing. The key is to enjoy these things, but within a limit. If your wants category is eating up 40 to 50% of your income, you're probably overspending. And here's the golden rule: always save at least 20% of your income. Whether it's for an emergency fund, investments, or retirement, this is how you build long-term financial security. If you can't hit 20% right away, start small, maybe 5% or 10%, and work your way up. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but what if my expenses don't fit perfectly into these categories? The key is flexibility. If rent is too high, try cutting back on wants or finding ways to increase income. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. If you follow this rule strictly, you'll hit your savings goal faster than you think. Even small changes, like negotiating bills, meal prepping instead of eating out, or using cashback apps, can free up extra cash to boost your savings. But what if I told you there's a hack that saves you money without cutting your favorite coffee? Let's talk about it. What if I told you there's a way to instantly boost your savings without working extra hours or cutting your income? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, here's the trick: the no spend challenge. Here's how it works. Pick 1 week per month where you commit to spending $0 on anything unnecessary. That means no takeout, no online shopping, no impulse buys. Just absolute essentials like rent, bills, and groceries. Think of it like a financial detox, just 7 days of conscious spending. Now, you might be thinking, will this actually save me money? The answer is yes. The average person spends between $200 and $500 per month on stuff they don't really need. That's up to $6,000 a year just vanishing into thin air. Multiply that by 12 months, and you're already halfway to saving $10,000. The best part? This challenge gets easier over time. The more you do it, the more you realize how much you can actually live without. And don't worry, you don't have to stop having fun. Swap out dining out for home-cooked meals, do a movie night at home instead of the theater, and challenge yourself to get creative with free entertainment. Even if you only do this for 1 week per month, you'll see your savings grow without feeling deprived. Now, let's talk about a trick that saves you money every time you buy something. Want to know a money-saving hack that most people completely ignore? Here's the secret: cashback apps and discount stacking. Every time you buy something, whether it's groceries, gas, or online shopping, you should be earning cashback and discounts at the same time. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta automatically apply the best coupon codes at checkout and give you 5 to 15% cashback on your purchase. Let's do some quick math. If you spend $500 per month on groceries, shopping, and gas, and you stack cashback and discounts, you can easily save $50 to $75 every single month without changing a thing. That's 600 plus per year. Money you could be investing, saving, or using for something meaningful instead. The best part? It's free money. You're already spending this money. Why not get some of it back? And here's a pro tip. Stack your cashback apps with reward credit cards that offer additional cashback on purchases. That means you save twice. But if you really want to supercharge your savings, you need to focus on this next part. Want to know the easiest way to save thousands without even thinking about it? It's called the set and forget trick. Here's how it works. Every time you get paid, automatically transfer a small percentage, say $200 to $300, straight into a high-yield savings account. Think of it as paying yourself first before you even touch the money. Most people don't even notice the money missing, but in a year, that's an extra $5,000 to $6,000 saved without lifting a finger. Now imagine doing this for 2 or 3 years. That's a rainy day fund, vacation, or even the start of an investment portfolio. The best part? The more you automate, the less you'll be tempted to spend mindlessly. Think about it. Would you rather mindlessly spend $300 on stuff you don't need, or have $10,000 in your account by next year? And now, for the most powerful money hack, the one that makes saving effortless. Ever bought something on impulse and regretted it later? We've all been there. But here's a simple trick that stops you from wasting money. It's called the 24-hour rule. Here's how it works. Whenever you feel like buying something non-essential, just wait 24 hours before making the purchase. If you still really want it the next day, go for it. But most of the time, you won't. Think about all the random stuff you've bought. How much of it do you actually use? Waiting just one day can stop impulse spending in its tracks. And guess what? If you avoid spending just $300 a month on impulse buys, that's a $3,600 boost to your savings in a year. This one trick alone can save you hundreds every month and help you hit that $10,000 savings goal faster than you think. And that's it. 5 easy money hacks to help you save $10,000 in 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. There you have it. 5 simple hacks to save $10,000 in 2025. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want even more ways to grow your money, watch this next video on passive income ideas. See you there. Thanks for tuning in to Money Hacks 2025. If you found today's tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Keep grinding and growing your wealth with us. See you in the next video.